In this lecture, we are going to briefly discuss data types. In PHP, data types are automatically assigned to your variables. This feature makes PHP a dynamically typed language. Fortunately, JavaScript is considered a dynamically typed language too. Therefore, we can expect the same behavior when working with variables. Regardless, let's talk about the data types available in JavaScript. So far, we've discussed one data type, which was strings. Strings are a data type for storing text. As a refresher, strings can be created with single or double quotes. Both types of quotes are supported. The next data types are number and Boolean. Numbers are written as is. They're great for storing prices, quantities, etc. As for Booleans, they're written with the keywords true and false. Booleans are helpful for writing conditional statements, which we'll be exploring in another lecture. Afterward, we have the null and undefined data types. The null data type represents nothing. This data type can be useful for initializing a variable without a value. As for the undefined data type, this data type is assigned to a variable if a variable is not assigned a value. We can consider it the default value for all variables. The final data type is called an object. Objects are a data type for storing a collection of data. In some cases, you may need to group data related to one another. There are additional types in JavaScript. However, these are the data types we'll be exploring throughout the course. They're the most relevant data types. One of the most useful keywords in JavaScript is called type of. In some cases, you may need to verify the data type of your values. It can be useful to verify a data type before checking for other loose ends. In the console, we can write the type of keyword to instruct JavaScript to tell us the data type of a value. Similar to PHP, JavaScript has reserved keywords. They're words that'll instruct the language to perform specific actions. After typing the type of keyword, we can provide a value. For example, let's check out the data type of a number. After running this line of code, the response from the console will be a string with the name of the data type. Let's try checking the data type of random text. The console will tell us this value is a string. Lastly, let's check out the data type of true. This value has been classified as a Boolean. Perfect. In JavaScript, data types are extremely important. Each data type is shipped with special features for interacting with the data. More on that later. Let's begin exploring variables before jumping into these special features.